How to delete a theme in WordPress. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, select Themes. Go to any theme. Click in Theme Details. Click on Next button. Check the theme which you want to delete. Click on the Delete button. Now the theme has been deleted. Remember, just deactivate the theme you want to delete. Don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link in the description below, and if you like the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you.